Hello everybody, I'm Lewis Carr with Adaptively, and today we're going to be unboxing and trialing out a new plugin from OpenLMS for the Moodle platform called Program Enrollments. It's still in alpha, so it's not production ready, but you're able to download the source code and have a play and then actively feed back to the OpenLMS team. So hopefully this plugin will make it into core Moodle. So let's dive in and take a look. So to access the plugin as an end user, once it's installed, you'll see the My Programs block, which you can install to the My Moodle dashboard. And then you can see the programs that you're enrolled in. So I'm enrolled on some cooking courses and also some induction staff onboarding courses. The program status is also shown on here, whether it's open, closed, complete, pending, etc., alongside a program start date, a program due date, and a program end date. And these are all configurable from the back end of the plugin. So if we click on the program catalog, you can see all the programs that have been added to your Moodle installation at different levels, system level, course level, etc. And a nice touch is the ability to upload an image to make the program look like an actual catalog. Users can choose to enroll themselves on here, or there can be an approval process, or they can be automatically enrolled depending on the settings that you choose. So I'm going to click on Program Management, and then I can see all the different programs I've got on the system, and then simply click on one, and then I can actually view the description, the access, the content, i.e. what courses are attached to it, and a bunch of other settings here. So this is just a really simple cooking class program. It gives you access to my pizza masterclass, and I've set the system to complete these in any order. But if this was an onboarding program, you could then choose the order in which the users have to complete the courses. To add a course to it, it's really simple. You click on the plus icon, search for a course here, add it to the program, and then adding new sets is almost like categories within inside the program. So you can see here where I've got baking, that's a subset basically of my overall cooking classes. So these things could be really complicated, but managed in a really easy to use way. You can then choose the visibility settings, so you can choose whether it's a public program, whether it's visible to cohorts, etc. And you can choose all the different allocation settings as well. So you can look at the start date, the end date. These are dynamic dates as well, so the program's going to start immediately after allocation or enrollment. You can also then set when it's due and also when the program ends, and that can be a fixed date, or again it can be, say, 3 months after enrollment or something like that, which makes it really brilliant for onboarding and induction courses. Then you can choose whether students are actively manually allocated, or whether it's self-allocation, whether you're allowing sign-ups, whether you're using approval processes, or based on automatic cohort allocation to enroll them on the right programs. So a whole heap of flexible tools on there. There's also a notifications panel. So you can choose whether to get notifications when the program started, when it's due, when users have been allocated, and all those appear here in your Moodle notifications. So just another really useful touch and really good for admins and end users. And lastly, you can upload the users on the course. If you're using manual allocation, you can click allocate users, or if they're enrolled by another method, then you'll see all the list of users on here, along with their start date, due date, and the status, which is quite important as well, showing whether they've passed it, completed it, it's pending, and things like that. So really, really simple admin interface, really easy to use. And obviously the blocks are neat touch as well, giving the end user access to their courses. It seems to be a fantastic plugin. I've only briefly played with it, and like I say, OpenLMS are actively encouraging Moodle users to give them some feedback, but it installed in a matter of a few clicks. It's running on a Moodle 4 environment. I've not noticed any bugs as yet, even though I have just started playing with the plugin. But yeah, ease of use, dead simple, just really easy to install, and the impact it could have on your Moodle is massive. So it really could, really stop you from using meta courses and complicated child-parent relationships between courses, and give you a really almost workplace-like way to manage programs. Fantastic for larger organizations, or for organizations working with different schools or something like that, different departments within a company. Really easy to roll people on and off of courses and to track who's doing what. So it's a really useful tool, and yeah, so far I'm massively impressed. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, subscribe and all that nonsense to watch any new videos that we post in the future. But thank you so much and we'll see you next time.